Bashirah sharing now?
Is it me?
Please share her slide first. Hi, Bashirah. Congratulations for winning our grand champion for season 104. You lost 3 kilos in just 10 days. And that is a difference of 4.36%. That's amazing, amazing result.
Thank you so much. I didn't expect to win actually. I mean, I came in through this program quite pessimistic, I must say. But my coach is super optimistic, and I think I owed it to her, you know, for this win, seriously, because whatever she asked me to do, I did. And I somewhat just submit myself to her, and I said, these 10 days, whatever you tell me to do, I'll just do it. And it worked, you know, so it's amazing. Yeah.
So now we have sort of summarized in total before we even ask you questions, which is listen to your coach. Whatever your coach say, you submit to them, you get amazing result. Okay, now everybody, that's the tip from Bashirah. But tell us more. How do you get to know about our 10 days mean and tone program?
Okay, so my coach Farah Frida is actually my friend, and I've been following her on social media. I've been seeing her transformation when she joined this program, and I think it was really amazing what she was doing. And for myself, I never thought I would do it because it's more like a spectator kind of thing. You just look at people doing it and you feel like, nah, it's not for me. And we were having conversations on healthy eating and healthy lifestyles, and I think slowly she was trying to, you know, hint to me that you should do this. But I only started to really thought about it and got back to her when I joined one of your sessions here. I can't remember the speaker's name, but she was really good. And she said something that caught my attention. She said this, she said, everyone is an expert in whatever they do. You are an expert in what you do, but you are not an expert in losing weight. So why not listen to the expert and let them tell you what to do?
Amazing. So that struck you.
Yeah, I mean, that's so simple, right? It's so simple, but it makes sense. So then I contacted Farah and I said to her, okay, I'll just do whatever you tell me to do for this 10 days. It's like, I want to change. I want to take this leap. I want to do this. I want to start somewhere, you know? So I did. So as I said just now, I just left it to her. She told me what to eat, when to eat, how much to drink. I just followed. So
what have you tried before that didn't work, Bashirah?
I skip meals. I cut my portions to half, but whatever I cut is still unhealthy food, so didn't make a difference even if I cut the portion. I didn't exercise because I hate exercising. Well, I still don't exercise, by the way.
Oh my God, for a person, right, that is on the 10 days lean and tone, focusing strictly on the 80% that is nutrition, right? And don't like exercise, you want a grand champion. Oh my God. And the tip is, yes, listen to your coach, follow the meal plan strictly. Yeah, and I absolutely understand. You are mom, you're busy. By the time you're done for the family, you are just done, right? There's no other way for you to squeeze any more time to work out, but you made it happen through good nutrition and also eating right.
Yeah, exactly.
However, I sort of heard some little birds telling me that you didn't like exercise, but you attempted it recently.
Yes. Other than Coach Farah, Coach Phoebe, and also Khatijah Mazlan or Dija, they are also in our little, you know, group, like my Fit Fam. You know, they share things that they do and things like that, and I also shared, you know, like I can't be exercising, not just because I don't like exercising, but because I have a knee problem, I have backaches and things like that. So I know I'm going to get tired while I exercise and I'll just quit, you know. So
Yeah.
I have to be creative. I have to think about what to do, you know. So I start to do floor exercises while watching K-drama. At least it's not, you know, too high impact on me. And Coach Phoebe told me, today you walk 7,000 steps. So I'm like, okay, I'll do that. So it's just a simple instruction. I said, okay, my coach told me to do this. I'll just do it. As I promised myself, I will just do whatever my coach told me to do. So she said 7,000 today. So then I did it. I did it within 2 hours. I walked about 6,500 steps, close enough, but
Wow,
yeah.
that's amazing for a person that don't do any movement, don't like exercise, and you don't mind making the first step. So what got you become so committed to yourself and also your body goals?
I think it's because of the first way in. I mean, I told you I wasn't optimistic when I first joined. I just wanted to, you know, just follow what my coach said.
Yeah.
And she told me, don't weigh yourself every day. You just weigh yourself on the first day, on the 5th day, and on the 10th day.
Yes.
So I held up, you know, I held up. I didn't want to, you know, break that. So I couldn't sleep the night of the 4th because I was so anxious about weighing in on the morning of the 5th. And I was so excited when I saw my weighing scale said I dropped 2.15 kilos.
Have you ever dropped 2.5 kilos in 5 days?
No, and technically it's not 5 days, it's 4 days because we start on the first day and then,
yes, correct.
Right?
Yes.
So I'm like, wow, you know, I actually cried.
Oh,
and my
I
husband
feel
thought,
you.
yeah, and my husband thought he did something wrong. I was like, why are you crying? Because then only I realized that actually I've been neglecting myself so much, and it only takes a simple thing like eating right. And not eating my kids' leftovers every time they don't finish something, or, you know, so it's just about watching what you eat, what you put into your body. So it kind of made me feel bad for a while that I've been doing that to myself. And yeah.
What have you learned in this program?
I think if you really want to, you know, lose weight, if you want to achieve the result you want, you really need to not do it alone. You really have to have support. You really need to talk to people who really know what they're doing. And you really need to unlearn whatever you've learned before and just take instructions and just follow what they say and learn from them. Because you're not going to be there forever, right? I mean, you eventually like this, after these 10 days, you are alone, you are by yourself for the next 5 days or so, but this time is a bit longer because Chinese New Year. So we're going to start again on the 8th. So these 10 days I'm by myself, but not completely because my coach is still around. But eventually you still need to know what to do, you know, if you are by yourself. So take the time to listen to instructions, follow what they say and learn.
That's a very, very, very good tip. So how has this change of yours actually changed your lifestyle in the family? Has your family got healthier?
Yeah, because my kids are looking at me, eating vegetables now, more vegetables now, and drinking more water. And on and off, I'll be going to the loo, you know, because of the tea mix.
Yeah.
But I show them that, you know, if you this is what you want, you got to do things, you know, that you're not used to do, and I think they get that message, you know. So now my son, he likes sweet stuff, of course. Kids, he's 9. He loves his candies and whatever. But now he started to ask me to order for him the same fit cup that I usually order in the morning for my breakfast.
And he enjoys it.
And he enjoys it, yeah.
Amazing. That's
so it's
nice.
Those things that, you know, you can see there are differences that is happening.
That's awesome. And children, they take after parents and they pick up very fast. They are just like a mirror. Yeah. So kids' palates, as I share with many of our participants as well, they change very easily. They adapt even quicker than we expect them to, and their palates is easily to be trained. So it's a good step, And once mommy shaped up, they will feel so proud of mommy as well. And at the same time, they will take after you. Yeah. So what would you like to say to moms out there that's still thinking to make a step, and also that everyone that is over here that's not moms as well that is thinking to make a change? So what would you like to encourage them, or any words of encouragement that you want to say to them?
Well, I think what maybe what really I would like to impart would be you don't have to do the whole thing. You don't have to take a big bite out of something. You just do it slowly. As for example, in my case, I don't like to exercise, and that's my limitation. I know I need to overcome. But during this first step, my little baby step is just to learn about food intake and to fix that. So I'm sure that when I get my results, my ultimate aim of losing 15 kilos, which is quite a lot, but I know I can do it.
You can do it.
I will eventually take that step to work on myself, physical stuff, as in, workout and things like that. So take baby steps. You don't have to be so overwhelmed by the whole process of it. Just do what you feel comfortable, one day at a time, and then you get the result you want.
Amazing, Bashirah. Thank you so much. That is an amazing tip for everybody that just want to make the first step. Instead of thinking of it like a sprint, it's actually a marathon, and taking baby steps, recognizing ourselves for all the small wins, and also enjoying the process. It will actually bring us to greater success in the long run, and our results will be more sustainable. So thank you so much for sharing. Congratulations. I can't be more excited to see you in the next season.
Yes, you too. Thank you.
Thank you, Bashirah. Thank you. Oh, wait a second. Let me see if I could add Farah inside here. Hey, Farah.
Hi, Coach.
Hi. Wow. Amazing. So Farah, what would you like to say to Bashirah?
I think she did amazing. She basically just submitted to whatever I told her to do.
That's true.
But she's so modest. I think I told her, I could only tell her what to do, but if she didn't do it, if she didn't follow, and if she didn't stay consistent, it wouldn't have worked, and she wouldn't have gotten the results that she did. So
Thank
it's really
you so much.
Most of it.
Yeah. Amazing. So I can't be more excited to see more results from Bashirah next season.